how to create a folder on iPhone iOS 26.5. Okay, so on the home screen, simply touch and hold on one of the apps icon. Then drop onto another icon. So here you move and you drop onto another icon. This will automatically create a folder like this. And let go. Okay, it will automatically name a folder. So you tap on that folder, it will open up with the default name. Here you can delete the name and give it your own name. So here I can call it calendars. And from here, you can tap outside of this container to save the changes. And then tap outside of that to save the changes. Okay, so here, if you tap on the folder, it will open up and it will contain all the apps in here. If you want to play additional apps into the folder, you can simply drag and drop it onto the folder like this. And from there, you will be able to place it into the folder. You can also move it out of the folder by simply touch and hold and drag and drop it outside of the folder. Okay, so you can rename the folder. Unfortunately, you will not be able to change the color of the folder by default. So it will always be just a name and a folder or a container with a transparent background. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.